Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily fix your microphone which is not working in your Windows or computer. So let's get started. So the very first step that we need to do is we need to open settings. Just simply press Windows and I key together, or you can do a right click here at the start icon, scroll up and then go for settings, click on it. Once you are being redirected here at the settings, go for the left side of it. It has the search icon, type for microphone, and go for microphone privacy settings. Click on it. Okay. So aligning this, all of these tabs, you need to make sure that this microphone access is enabled. Let apps access your microphone is enabled, and all of these applications are enabled or turned on. Okay, so if you in your case you have turned this off, just simply click on it and done. Just have to let's proceed to the next step, which is to close this window. Let's say that step doesn't work for you, then let's proceed to the next step. Okay, so the next step is you need to click this icon and go for this speaker icon, do a right click, and go for go to settings. So here in the sound settings, you need to make sure that in your input you have selected your microphone. Okay, so choose a device. Choose the device that you're using, the correct microphone that you're using, and if it's not, then click on it and then check if your microphone is working again. And let's say if it doesn't, then scroll down and go for volume mixer. Click the forward arrow here and make sure that aligning this input device, you are selecting your microphone. So in my case, I'm selecting the correct microphone that I'm using, which is DGM20 USB microphone. Okay. So once done, check your microphone if it's working again. And let's say if it doesn't, then click this backward arrow here and scroll down. Then go for more sound settings. It has this arrow icon here. Click on it. And this sound window will appear. Here you need to make sure that in the recording, you are selecting the microphone that you're using, the default device, okay? Make it a default device and click on apply and OK. And surely your microphone will be fixed. And might as well in the sounds, you need to make sure that it is in Windows default and saved as and apply and OK. So that's it. That's how easy to fix your microphone which is not working in your computer. So if you think this video helps you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.